In modern industry, automated production has become the key to improving efficiency and quality. Today, we introduce you to a revolutionary equipment, Spout pouch filling capping machine, which can solve the efficient production needs of automatic filling, capping, and locking in one stop. First, the turntable drive system. Our equipment is equipped with a self-developed servo divider, which is compact, lightweight, easy to install, and supports angle adjustment. Compared with the traditional cam structure, the servo drive system has the advantages of faster speed and more stable operation. At the same time, it realizes the automatic return to zero function, which greatly improves the convenience of operation. In the filling process, we use a full servo magnetic gear pump, which means that whether it is a paste or a liquid, it can be accurately filled through high-precision control. Through our independently developed high-pressure filling head, efficient filling without dripping or backflow is achieved, ensuring that each bag of product is accurate. In order to achieve unmanned and efficient production, the equipment adopts an automatic liquid level detection and feeding system. During the filling process, the hopper can be automatically replenished according to the liquid level, avoiding human intervention and ensuring the continuity and stability of the production line. Next is the capping system. With a separate servo control mode, the capping head is precisely processed to ensure long-term and efficient operation, ensuring accurate placement and locking of the cap. At the same time, intelligent cap detection and automatic feeding mechanism are used to ensure that each cap can be perfectly matched. The Spout pouch filling capping machine also has a powerful automatic bagging function. From manual bag placement to automatic bagging, automatic detection, and subsequent filling and capping, the entire process is intelligent and efficient, which greatly reduces manual operations and improves production efficiency. From bagging, filling, capping, and capping, each link is controlled by our independently developed core technology, ensuring the efficient operation of the equipment and the stability of production. Through reasonable design and configuration, our Spout pouch filling capping machine can meet the needs of different production environments and support customization. The Spout pouch filling capping machine, with its high efficiency, stability, and intelligence, can help you realize fully automated filling production. Contact us now to upgrade your production line and experience the most advanced automated filling technology.